Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this StockFlow review. So for those of you out there who are looking for an all-in-one solution as far as your multimedia assets go, StockFlow includes 7,000 plus HiQ images, 600 images with quotations, 100 plus transparent PNGs, 100 plus HTML templates for websites in a bunch of niches, 350 plus business graphic icons, 100 plus cutout images, and just a whole lot of those. It's a stock asset product. So for whatever you're doing, whether you're making video or whether you're needing images for websites or landing pages, this is going to be a great asset for your tool belt. Also, if you stick around to the end of this video, I've got some exclusive discount codes that you can use on day 1 or day 2, so stick around for that. Today we're going to take a deep dive into StockFlow. I'm going to show you some examples of what is on offer, and as well as that, I've also gotten you some really cool bonuses exclusive to me and selfmadenewbie.com that are going to supplement StockFlow really well. Before we get into all that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. Also, if at any point in this video you want to jump ahead, check out StockFlow on your own, or check out the bonuses on your own, or see what it's all about, simply click on that link in the description and that will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Now, the way this bonus page works is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that does is it locks in these bonuses before sending you off to the StockFlow vendor sales page, because my bonus page is integrated with their vendor sales page. What that means is if you do decide to purchase StockFlow through my link, you will get StockFlow and all of these bonuses sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. The first bonus I've gotten for you is a 3-part bonus, and it is called Music Loops versions 1, 2, and 3. These are music loops that you can include in your videos. Each pack has 25 royalty-free music loops, so that's a total of 75 that you're getting. These are completely copyright-free. You can use them all to your heart's content, whether you're making videos, doing video marketing, or whether you want music on your website or anything like that. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Freedom Online Business. This is really going to help you out. I assume you're trying to make money online, so this is just one of those big courses out there that's been really popular in the past. I think this is really going to help you. So there's so much that this covers when it comes to creating online business, a freedom business, making money online, things like that. So a couple of things in there are why you should start a YouTube channel with your business, online business models you can take advantage of, tips on creating your online business, ways to promote the stuff there on branding, mindset stuff, as long as creating blog-based businesses, and just how to stay on track and things like that. So a really good overall holistic product with making money online, creating that online business. The third bonus I've gotten for you, usually these come as an individual package, but I've just thrown all 5 together, and it's Social Media Income, the series. So we've got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and LinkedIn versions. The reason I put them together is I assume with StockFlow, you're gonna be, putting media out there. And with the different social media platforms, one of the big mistakes people make is they're talking the same language on each platform, when each platform has its nuances. So I've thrown them all in so that you're able to use StockFlow, use the content that you're making in StockFlow to create the correct micro content for each sort of social media platform. Because that's where your audience is. Everybody's on Web 2.0, everybody's on Facebook, Instagram, and things like that. So this is going to tell you how to be effective on each so you can drive traffic to whatever it is you're doing. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is a 2-part bonus, and this is regards to creating video. So the first part is called the Animation Playbook. And this is going to go into finding content for animated sales videos or videos that you want to make. So let's say you don't want to be on camera. You can still create really powerful and effective videos using animation and things like that. If you've ever heard of the YouTube channel Fighting Mediocrity, where they have the hand drawing and things like that, this is in that sphere of what this product goes into. So you've got how to put content into slides, how to put audio into your content, picking assets for effective animated videos, editing audio, building animated sales videos, and then a bunch on processing and voiceovers and things like that. This goes into everything you need in order to create, great sales videos as far as the technical part goes. As I said, it's a two-part bonus. So the second part is Video Marketing Profit Kit. Now what this goes into is more how to create sales videos as far as, what you should say. So this goes into winning video topics. It goes into persuasion. It goes into how to save money on video creation, how to make money from your videos. So this is more into the actual process of using video to create sales. So the two bonuses together, you've got how to create videos, technically make them great, and the other part is your actual marketing on the video. The fifth bonus I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up fully with a bunch of vendor bonuses. So these are bonuses that they've given to me that they feel that I can give out that will supplement StockFlow really, really well. The first one is they've added some PNG images of add to cart buttons and things like that, buy now buttons. The second one is animated PSD and GIF of web arrows. So yeah, if you're doing any special offers or sales, GIF animated arrows are really, really useful. Bonus number 3 is 15 awesome Facebook timeline covers. So these can be used, for yourself or for clients, or you can give them away even to people who join your mailing list and things like that. Bonus number 4 they've given you is 120 plus website headers, images in multiple niches. Creating headers for websites can be a hassle if you're not artistic at all and you're not good at Photoshop or good in Canva. That'll really help you out. And the fifth one is transparent PNGs of money. So popular image there, especially if you're in the make money online niche. Some really good images in there. They're all PNGs, so all high definition. They're going to look really good. So again, if that all sounds good to you, there's a lot on offer here. It's step 1, link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Clicking on these green buttons locks in your bonuses, and then that sends you off to the StockFlow official sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this in your own time, but just quickly, I will show you a quick demo on this page of what is on offer. So I mentioned 7,000 stock images. This is kind of what you're expecting here. Now, if you go to Stock Overflow or other websites that offer stock images, they charge you an arm and a leg, in my opinion. Sometimes it's like $10 an image, or $60 a month for images, and it's really not worth it. I mean, anyone who's ever built a site or anything, and you go through images, sometimes you might buy an image and then decide not to use it, and then what are you going to do with it? So it's good to have a stock hold of images and media assets. So these are the kind of images you can expect. Really good looking. The thing I like about them is it has faces in them. Now, having faces is a psychological trick, really, when you're putting out content. It's good to have faces. A lot of people like to put hands in, or the back of people's heads, or like scenery, and it's not. People gravitate towards faces. We subconsciously track faces. So that's what really drew me to StockFlow. Here are the quotation images, so some ideas there, so really inspirational. These are going to be great for your Instagram. So if you use my bonus, social media income, the Instagram version, this really ties into that. So you're going to be able to use this kind of content on Instagram. It works really, really well. So as far as everything else goes, I recommend checking that sales page out in your own time and just reaffirming if it has everything that you need. The last stage is you'll receive a digital receipt. It will look like this. Or if you go to jvzoo.com, go to your purchases, you'll find this screen. Under the green button will be StockFlow, and under the blue button will be all the bonuses I just talked about. Now, really quickly, before we close out, I will say, keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it runs down to 0, any limited pricing that you're going to get through my link or the bonuses, they're all going to disappear when this countdown timer hits 0. So make sure you get in sooner rather than later. Really, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the least price. Okay, so I recommend getting in there. A quick look at the price. Also on my bonus page if you want to check it out. So the front end is $27, and you do only need the front end to get access to all of those bonuses. Okay, you don't need any one-time offer versions. I've been through what you get in the front end. You can upgrade to Pro for $17, which gives you an extra 880 tracks, 1,000 videos, 500 Ultra HQ videos, PPT video templates, PowerPoint templates, intros and outros, and more bonuses. One-time offer number 2 is StockFlow Ultimate, unlimited developer license of Standard and Pro, and 5 extra bonuses. So if you are having multiple users use this, or if you are pushing it onto clients, this might be good for you. One-time offer number 3 is $97 reseller. So if you want to resell, rebrand StockFlow as your own product and sell it on and get all of those bonuses as well, and all of the profits for yourself, that you might be interested in this. So there really is a ton of value on offer if you take into consideration all those bonuses you're getting. It's like over 10 bonuses, and it's over 15 bonuses. It's about 18 bonuses. So I do recommend you get in sooner rather than later. As I said at the beginning of this video, if you've stuck around this long, on your screen right now you should see some exclusive discount codes that you can also use only during day 1 and day 2. So get in on those as quick as you can. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments, on social media, in my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy StockFlow, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.